I'm wanting now to do my green, my stuff, you know, my very exotic stuff I'm wanting to do. I've got ginger, I've got garlic, I've got basil, but he's looking very tired, so don't take too much notice of that. What can you do in these very dry times? Now, cheating a little bit, got lemongrass and powdered chili, but I will really get that authentic taste, and I need a little bit of lemon juice. So we'll take this lemon, chop the lemon. Okay, so I'm going to make a little bit of lemon juice. Oh, I love this little gadget. This belongs to Joanne, but I'm going to take it. I'm not going to leave it. It's going to slip up under my underpants like a tennis ball. Okay, oh dear. Right, that's lemon in there, and when I take the bottom off the lemon juice, it goes everywhere, but I try to make it go in my direction that I want, okay? Now, so I will chop up the basil. Sort of fine, very sharp knife, so I'm not bruising it at all. Very nice sharp knife. I've got a lovely piece of salmon. I could do that too if I wanted to, you know. Now lemongrass you have to pound, you know, you have to beat it and do all that stuff to get it to cooperate for you. So that is why I'm using the powder today. My ginger I'm just cutting up very finely. Do you know, oh there's my friend the fly again. It's a wonder, very consistent, full of energy, the fly. But you know, and my garlic. I've got all lots of lovely things here for me to put with my green shrimp that I have to peel. You know, really, if Joanne was coming as a guest on my show, I would have the prawns and shrimp all peeled and everything for her. Oh no, she took off on me. You know, I don't know what she's doing. Okie dokie, red lemon juice, chili, everything like that. Now the prawns again. If you have to lose weight, you need to be packing your own lunch and your own dinner if you want, if you're doing some sort of night shift thing. Oh, getting all. So these things, you've got to pick them up whenever you can. What have I got? I think the green prawns are in there. I didn't catch them myself, but you know, still. Oh, beautiful, look. Okie dokie. Here we go. I'm not going to do the whole lock, stock and barrel. I'm only going to do, you know, a few. But some of you might not even know how to prepare them. You must take out all the poo-poo in the intestines and that, because if you not take that out, you can get very sick. That's the shrimp's poo-poo area, you know, the equipment. Right, so you must take it out. You can get very sick from it. Salmonella poisoning, you could probably die for all I know. Okie doke.